stop sending out invoices and proposals using a free email account like Gmail or Hotmail. Let's go ahead and use a professional email with your domain. In this case, I'm going to show you how to set up the business email here on Hostinger using an external domain. That means that the domain is not hosted on Hostinger and it's hosted somewhere else. But I'm gonna use the email service here on Hostinger because it's super affordable. So let me go ahead and show you how to set this up. Now go ahead and jump over to the link in the description and go over here and you'll find their available plans for their email accounts. There's available plans from 39 cents a month and all the way up to $1.99 a month. Now the 39 cents a month doesn't include a free domain. So in this case, that's the one I'm going to use because it's the affordable one and I'm going to use it with my custom domain. But if you want to use a premium business email, it has 5 mailboxes for the price of 4, plus it includes the free domain. But in this case, I'm going to use this one, which is 39 cents a month. Now the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in that low price and you'll be good to go for 4 years for $18 for those 4 years. So it's super affordable. Okay, now to set this up, once you are on Hostinger and you've purchased that plan, to set this up, go ahead and jump into emails, and in emails, select the domain that you've selected for this. Remember, this domain that I'm going to use is for this business that is not in the Hostinger account. So it's not under these domains. It's an external and I'm using Cloudflare for this. So let's go ahead and connect the domain. Now to set this up, I need to go into my Cloudflare account and jump into DNS records to add all of these records. Now be aware that these records are super important to verify that it's you, to disallow someone to send emails using your domain, and so they don't land in the spam folder. So you need to set this up, right? If I check the status right now, nothing is connected. So I need to do this right now. Go ahead and click on this drop down menus and let's go ahead and start this up, all right? So we have values. First record is the MX record with this value, priority 5. So let's go ahead and set this up right now. We need to create an MX record. So let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go into our records, add a new record, search for MX right here. It's gonna be here we go. And the priority is 5 for this one. Let's go ahead and save this, grab the next record, and it's going to be priority 10. So it's not the same, plus the value is also different. So don't make that mistake, all right? So again, let's search for MX. It's going to be record. Here we go. And it's going to be priority 10. Let's go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and continue with the next values. So now we need a TXT record for this one. So let's go ahead and do this right now. Here we go. Let's go ahead and add it to TXT. Let's add the value. It's going to be TTL. I'm going to set it to 1 hour. Let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. And so on and so forth. Let's go with the next records. Now these are CNAME. All right. So let's grab the name and value for this. So again, let's go ahead and do CNAME. Here we go. Here's the value for the name. Then the target is going to be this one right here. So let's go ahead and add it right now. Here we go. And DTL, set it up for 5 minutes. And let's grab the next record. Here we go again. It's a CNAME. Here we go. Set this up. Let's grab the value for this. Here we go. And also set this up for 5 minutes. And the last record for the CNAME. Once all of this is done, just go ahead and follow these steps. And it's going to be practical and easy to set this up. Let's go and save this. And there's another record here, which is the last one, another TXT for the DMARC record. So let's add a TXT right here. Now, some of these values will take a bit more to reflect and some of them will be automatic really quickly. All right, so let's go and save this and let's go ahead and do our check status. All right, so here we go. The last one is not ready yet because I've just added it. So it will take a little bit. It might get really easy. Sometimes it will take 5 minutes, sometimes 10, sometimes an hour. It could take up to 48 hours, but most of the time it's really quick. So here we go. They are all set up right now. Let's go into the mailbox. In this case, I have a mailbox already here. Let's go ahead and go to this one. Let's go ahead and view the webmail. And we are now all set up to use this mailbox right here. I can create a brand new message. I can receive messages. I can schedule, draft, use the AI straight from here. I can even set this up to use on Gmail, but using it through my custom domain. So it's really easy and practical to set up your mailboxes here on Hostinger using the business email or the most affordable plan over there. You don't have to have the domain here on Hostinger, so don't worry about that. So I hope you like this video how to set this up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.